Students, in chapter number 2, we have completed with three forms of business organization, that is sole proprietorship, Hindu undivided family and partnership. Today we are going to start with fourth kind of business organization, that is cooperative society. Now students, in India, cooperative societies are being regulated and controlled by the Act which is known as the Indian Cooperatives Act 1912. Okay, now we're going to learn what do you mean by cooperative society. Cooperative society is the voluntary association of members who works for the common purpose of the society, who works for the promotion of social and economic interest of its members by eliminating middlemen from the chain and to earn maximum profit. Okay, again I am repeating, it is a voluntary association of the members who are working for the promotion of social and economic welfare of the members, and at the same time they are eliminating middlemen in order to earn maximum profit. Now we are going to do features or characteristics of cooperative society. First one is your voluntary association. Now students, in case of cooperative societies, anyone can become the member of such kind of society, but a person must be an adult. That means he must be in age of 18 years and above. Any person can become a member of cooperative society. Any person can anytime join this kind of society and can get exit from such kind of society. So there is a voluntary association. Coming to the second one, that is legal status. Now the status of cooperative society is different from its members. The cooperative society has its own name, can enter into the contract in its own name. Another person or third party can enter into the contract with cooperative society, can sue and be sued. That means cooperative society can also file a case on the third party, and any third party can also file a case upon the cooperative society. All these things can be happening in the name of cooperative society because it is an artificial person which exists only in the eyes of law, though it does not have its own physical existence like a human being. Okay, so there is a legal status of cooperative society as an artificial person which exists only in the eyes of law. It can enter into the contracts. It can just have a binding of contract upon him. At the same time, it can sue and be sued. Coming to the third one, that is limited liability. Now, all the members who are forming cooperative society are having unlimited liability. They are only liable up to the amount of capital they are contributing in the shares of cooperative society. Next one, control. Now, these kind of cooperative societies are controlled and managed by the managing committee which is being appointed by the members of the cooperative society itself. Coming to the next one, that is service motive. Now, the very basic motive of cooperative society is not to earn profit, rather work for the common welfare of its members. So, a prime motive of such kind of society is to serve its members rather than to earn the profit. Coming to the next one, that is source of finance. Now, the source of finance for cooperative society is the amount of capital which the members are investing into the shares of cooperative society, that comprises of the sources of finance of cooperative society. And the last one is your democratic management. These cooperative societies are democratically managed. Now, each and every decision in such kind of cooperative society is being taken by all the consent of all the members on the basis of one man, one vote, irrespective of number of shares held by them. That is why we can say that cooperative society enjoys democratic management in its working system. So here we have completed with all the features and meaning of cooperative society. We can give the examples such as consumer cooperative stores, Sahkari Upbhokta Bhandar, Mother Dairy. This will all be coming under the examples of cooperative society. So today we have completed with the meaning and characteristics of cooperative society. In the next topic we are going to catch with kinds of cooperative society. Thank you.